Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make rice powder easy method. Start by rinsing 2 cups of rice and spread it thin to dry thoroughly, or use low heat in an oven. Once fully dry, toast lightly for deeper flavor, then grind in a blender or mill until powdery, sifting out larger bits. Use for batters, thickening sauces, or gluten-free baking with a warm, friendly touch. Begin by rinsing rice and removing debris for the cleanest powder. Pat dry, then arrange rice in a single layer on a tray to air dry or use a low oven setting, checking often. Drying time varies, so rely on texture rather than a timer until grains are crisp. Proper drying ensures a smooth powder and longer shelf life, and it keeps your final product light and clump-free. Transfer dry rice to a blender or grain mill, filling only partway to allow movement. Pulse in short bursts, shaking the jar between sets to expose whole grains, and pause if the machine warms up. Sift the output and return any coarse particles for another pass until you achieve a fine, silky texture. Store in a cool place and label with the date so you always use the freshest rice powder in your recipes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.